Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head trying to calculate year-to-date values in Power BI, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step through the process of creating a YTD calculation using Power BI's built-in features. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set this up for your own data, saving tons of time and taking your dashboards to the next level. Let's jump right in. First up, go ahead and open Power BI. If you don't have it running already, launch the app and load up the report or dataset where you want to track your year-to-date values. Power BI is a powerful tool, but don't worry if you're still getting familiar with the interface. Stick with me and I'll walk you through every click. With your file open, let's move over to the Home tab. This is kind of your command center in Power BI where you can import data, transform it, and in this case, make calculations. You'll see the Home tab right at the top ribbon, so click there to get started. Now look for the Quick Measure button. This is a fantastic feature if you're not quite ready to write DAX formulas from scratch or just want to save some time. Think of Quick Measure as your shortcut to powerful analytics. It takes care of the heavy lifting behind the scenes. So go ahead and click that. A new window will pop up with a list of calculation options. Don't let this overwhelm you. It's simply Power BI's way of giving you a menu of the most common calculations, from averages to running totals. Here you want to find the calculation for year-to-date total. You'll probably see Time Intelligence as a category. Expand that if you need to and select year-to-date total from the list. This tells Power BI that you want it to sum up your values from the beginning of the year all the way up to each point in your data. Once you've selected year-to-date total, you'll need to tell Power BI two things: the base value you want to sum and the date field that determines the time period. For example, if you're tracking sales, your base value might be sales amount, and your date could be something like order date or invoice date. Click to add those fields. Just take a moment to make sure you're grabbing the correct columns because this step is crucial. If you pick the wrong date field, your totals might not calculate as you expect. After you've set those, click Add. This instructs Power BI to create a brand new measure. Don't worry if it takes a couple of seconds. Power BI is building out the logic for you behind the scenes. Once it's ready, you'll see a new measure appear in your fields pane. It might have a name like Sales Amount YTD or something similar depending on your fields. Now to actually use your new measure, just check the box next to it like you would with any of your other data fields. Drag it onto your report and pair it with your date field. This is important because the measure needs to know how to break down the year-to-date values over the periods you want to see, whether it's by month, quarter, or any other time frame in your dataset. You can build a table visual by selecting both your new measure and your date field, and Power BI will instantly generate that year-to-date summary. Take a moment to look over the results. Does everything look as expected? If something seems off, double-check your base value and date selections from earlier. And that's really it. In just a few clicks, you've told Power BI to do all that date logic for you, giving you a dynamic year-to-date total that will update automatically as your data changes. It's a huge time saver, and once you know this trick, you'll find yourself using it again and again. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any hiccups or have questions about Power BI. And of course, make sure you subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this. I've got plenty more tips coming your way. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.